Hi, I'm Zach Wiewel, attorney and partner at Texas Trust Law. You're receiving this video because you're one of our trusted advisors. And what we're going to be talking about on this is charitable giving. We love charitable giving at Texas Trust Law. We absolutely love it. It's a great way to give back to organizations that your client or you've been involved with, that you've seen benefit other people, or you just really believe in the cause. And the good thing about charitable giving is there's a lot of ways to do it. One way is just easy. It's just creating a donor advised fund and contributing money to that donor advised fund, getting that tax deduction in that year, and then having a couple years to just dole out the money to different organizations that you like and care about. And with every donor advised fund, you can set up a legacy of giving to your children or loved ones so that way they can continue giving after the person's passed away. That's something that my parents have done and something I'm looking forward to when the time comes. Another thing about charitable giving is it helps with tax planning. And there's kind of two areas of tax planning could help out with. First is going to be with capital gains. So some of y'all might have clients who have owned assets for years. It might be land out in Williamson County where they're trying to build a data center. They might have just bought Apple stock early. There could be a bunch of different assets that have a lot of built-in capital gains if they were to sell it. Well, if a client is charitably inclined, one way to avoid that capital gains recognition is by setting up a charitable remainder trust. That's a type of trust where you set it up and you get an income stream, or someone gets an income stream for their life, and then at least 10% of the property after a term of years or after a life goes to charity. And if you do that in just the right way, your client can avoid paying capital gains entirely when there's a liquidation event. Now, the other way charitable giving helps is with the estate tax, where in 2026, the estate tax exemption is $15 million per person, $30 million per couple. Now, if you're under that, the estate tax, you're not going to pay it when the person dies. But if you're over those thresholds, 40% of everything over that threshold is going to be taxed. And so it's important to think about charitable giving. And again, you can give away money to a charity that is a deduction from that value from your total gross estate when you pass away because it's going to a charity. So that's a great way to think about that. You can build in a charitable remainder trust. You can give it to a donor advised fund. You can give it to a charity to set up endowed scholarships. There's a lot of cool things you guys can do with charitable giving. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more, just call us at 512-480-8828.